Welcome to our project, Cisco IOT System and IBM Watson IOT Platform in Manufacturing. Cisco leads in IoT, offering a reliable solution for business. They cover everything needed to start and scale IoT deployments. Their commitment to open standards ensures seamless integration with existing systems. Protecting IoT investments. Cisco does connect anything, securely link all smart devices to internet, manage data effectively, prioritizes security, unlock valuable insights. The key features are secure connectivity, robust data which collects, stores and analyzes massive data. Unwavering security ensures data, device and application security. Real-time insights gain valuable insights from data. Simplified management. The benefits are real-time insights optimize production resources and maintenance. Quality control boost. Monitor product quality for consistent experience. Productivity surge automates tasks to boost overall output. Data-driven innovation. Introduction to IBM Watson. IBM Watson IoT platform harnesses IoT data for actionable insights and intelligent decision making. It provides tools for building, deploying, and managing IoT solutions across industries. The core features are device management, which collects, stores, and analyzes data, real-time analytics, conjugative API security. The advantages of integration are simplified management, enhanced security, which combined platform security protects devices and data, unified data collections, streamlined data collection for centralized analysis. Real life use cases. The application in manufacturing. They create smart factories by connecting devices, monitoring production, and using AI for optimization. Future trends and innovation. Edge computing, 5G connectivity, AI driven analytics, digital twins. Challenging in implementing IoT manufacturing. Data security, interoperability, scalability. Scalability and flexibility. Cisco and IBM Watson offer scalable solution, adaptable manufacturing environments. Conclusion. The collaboration between Cisco IoT system and IBM Watson IoT platform transforms manufacturing with optimized process, enhanced productivity and innovation. The future holds immense potential with emerging technologies like edge computing, 5G connectivity, AI driven analytics, and digital twins. Together, Cisco and IBM Watson offers a robust solution for successful IoT deployment in manufacturing. Thank you.